How to add WhatsApp button on Facebook page. Before you can add WhatsApp button on your Facebook page, ensure you have an existing Facebook page for your business. Start by accessing your personal Facebook account. Click on the profile picture icon located in the upper right corner to navigate to your personal account. Next, look for the icon representing multiple pages near your profile. Clicking this will display both your profile and your pages. Choose the page to which you intend to add the WhatsApp button. Once on your selected page, click the icon in the top right corner once more to proceed, then select the option to see your page. This action will direct you to a section where you can edit your page's details. Proceed to scroll down until you find the option to list your contact preferences. Here, input your WhatsApp business number and select the option to send a code to WhatsApp to verify your identity. Following these steps, you'll be guided through the process to add the WhatsApp icon by following the next instructions. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.